Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets by Chital Shah. Today's pick a card reading is to receive yes or no guidance for your specific queries using oracle cards. We have 10 set of cards with us. But before we begin with the reading, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that we update. If you would like to send your donations and blessings to me, links have been mentioned in the description box below. Any contributions and donations, small, medium, or large, is highly appreciated. So, let me introduce you to the 10 cards that we have today to receive yes or no guidance. Card 1, card 2, card number 3, card number 4, card number 5, card number 6, card number 7, card number 8, card number 9, card number 10. Take a few deep breaths in and breathe out and select any card based on the images or the numbers that you are most drawn to, and then go to the description box below for the timestamps. So all those who have selected card number 1, this is your guidance, counselor. So with this card, the angels are asking you to wait for a few moments because the answer to your queries is not yes nor no, because pieces of the information are still missing and the angels need more time to give you a definite answer. If you feel drawn to, you can go to any other cards, but for now, card number 1, your answer is maybe. It requires time, so it is not a yes or a no. So all those who have selected card number 2, ask your angels. So this is a yes card, but it requires more support and more help from other people, especially your angels. So your angels are asking you to call upon them and ask for their help and assistance so that the required answers and the required guidance is given to you to help you manifest and bring into reality whatever it is you are asking about. Card number 3. So this is your answer very soon. Whether it is a romantic question that you have asked or a yes or no, the answer is a yes, and you will see the actualization of your ask very soon. And also with this card, the angels are asking you to be very crystal clear about what you want and what is it that you desire, so that they can help you manifest it at the earliest. Thank you. Card number 4. Let's see. Whom do you need to forgive? So with this card, the angels are asking you that there is an important chapter in your life and there is an important emotion that needs to be released, without which the question that you have asked for cannot materialize and cannot actualize. So you need to do forgiveness exercise and do some healing work with regards to you and the persons or the situations involved. But as of now, the answer is a no. You can come back later to receive guidance for the same question after a period of 21 days. Pile number 4. So pile number 5, let's see what the angels have in store for you, whether it is a yes, no, or a maybe. Guarded and protected by Archangel Michael. Wow, pile number 5. The answer for the question that you have asked is that you and your loved ones are safe, you are guarded and protected, and it is a yes, it is going to happen, but there needs extra protection and extra safety for yourself and all the parties involved. So right now, don't rush into things because it is going to happen sooner, and maybe when there is sunshine. So after the months of October, I see your asks are going to get actualized, but as of now you need to do extra work about the thing that you have asked for. So all those who have selected pile number 6, oh, we have multiple cards for you. Pile number 6. The cards are goodbye to the old and hello to the new and spring. So I feel pile number 6, the question that you have asked for will take some time to come, because in the northern hemisphere spring has already gone. So this card does not say that it is not going to materialize. Yes, your ask is going to materialize. These cards say it is a yes, but it will take time to materialize. So you need to wait till the months of spring to see the actualization of your ask. Pile number 6. So pile number 7, let's see what the angels have in store for you. Give your relationship a chance. So pile number 7, the question that you are asking about needs some more information. It needs some more love, it needs some more care, and it needs some more work on your end to actualize. But as of now, if you are going to continue in the same manner and in the same energies that you are right now, the answer for this question is no. If you continue working hard on it and do more exercise on it, do some more work and research on the question that you are asking about or the person that you are asking about, it can be a yes in the future, but right now it is a no, because you need to work on it right now. All those who have selected card number 7, let's see your guidance. Pay attention to your dreams. So I feel all those people who have selected card number 7 already know the answers. The angels and the divine realm have already blessed them with the answers, but they are here just for the sake of confirmation. So go to your dreams and go inside of yourself, like meditate to know the answer. And I feel majority of the people who have selected this pile already know the answer to their queries. So I won't answer this card because you all know. All those who have selected card number 9, let's see what the angels have in store for you. Yes, no. Angel therapy. Give your cares and worries to us angels and allow us to take your burdens. So with this card, I feel people who have selected card number 9, your dreams are coming true very soon. This is a very positive card. It says a yes, but definitely you need to work on some things so that it can be attracted in your life. You see this angel holding the crystal ball over here. It needs work, people who have selected pile number 9. So your question needs work right now. It needs love if you are inquiring about a person or a situation. It needs your attention. So when you give it your attention, the answer to your queries is a yes. And finally, all those who have selected pile number 10, let's see what the angels have in store for you. If you believe. So if you believe, it is a yes. If you believe it won't happen, then it is a no. If you are doubting your energies that maybe it can happen, maybe it won't happen, then it is a maybe. So what is it that you want and what is it that you truly believe? Pile number 10 is your answer. Thank you. I hope you all resonated with the readings, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.